When I look into the analytics of the channel, one thing that get my attention, I mean, everything is normal, good, and all that. But one thing that I think can be improved is that when we see the traffic sources, the majority of the people are coming by making searches within the YouTube channel. And that's fine, but that's very noisy. That gets a lot of different stuff. And the other big groups is external. And when we look at what those externals are, we see that is Google searches the most. There's also some IBM.com sites and the Security Learning Academy that reference my videos. But the vast majority of the people look for the searches. Only a small group, 10%, although go directly, meaning that probably they have the link to it. How can you easily get the links for all the videos and an easier way of searching? Well, as you know, in the video description of every one of my videos, if we go to any one, these are the ones that I will be publishing next week, clicking on any one, you'll see that there is a link to a public box folder, right? If I go here, switching to Firefox, I already did here, and this is a public box folder. You don't have to have an account. I believe that's the case for you, because I don't have it here in my Firefox. I haven't logged into anything. And what you find here is, of course, a bunch of folders for the different videos that we are doing. But if you take the time to scroll to the last page of this, obviously right now there are 3 pages of folders. There might be more. And if you click on this document, this is a file. Actually, you can download it, which I did, right? Again, they want you to log in, but yeah, you don't have to. So if you click here, save, you'll save it. Here's an organized list of all of my videos by topic, right? And the most recent one, I have even the date, so you can see how dated the video is and the duration in time of it. But also, of course, if you have it in this format, this is another thing I'm working on a regex video. But when let me actually go to my download folders, which I downloaded it. If you click in here, well, now it's very easy to search for whatever you want. You just do Control F, and if you're looking for pfSense content, you hit enter, and then you find all the pages where the pfSense is, and the link to that video is specifically there. So I hope that if you are not aware of these, that you may take advantage of these hundreds of videos. So it's not easy to find, even within my channel, to find all the content in here. I think this will save you time, and you can download. Every time I post a new video, I update this file and put it up there. So hope that this will be useful to you.